Yeah, Playboy. Let's see it.
Alright, this is the... Are you recording?
Go, yeah.
This is the ninja hand breaking through a crunch bar. A 9.25 pound crunch bar. We're ready for this shit.
Alright, hang on.
Alright, you ready?
We're gonna get this shot. Alright, we're already time. That's how you... That wasn't breaking a crunch bar. That was attempting to break a crunch bar.
Alright, let me separate the chairs a little bit more.
Alright, pussy.
Dude, my thing hurt!
It looked like it hurt.
Oh! Just fist. Let's go. Just fucking.
Just fist it?
Dash. Oh my god. This thing is not getting. Okay, you want me to take a swing at it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, I dented it!
Okay,
Is that how hard it is?
Oh my god! I like literally punched it.
Alright.
Alright.
He hit himself.
He does it! It hurts, doesn't it? Oh.
Pain of success.
Now we have I don't know if you do the math, that would be 4.625 pounds of chocolate.
That'd be 1 crunch bar into 2 crunch bars and 4 broken fingers.
That hurts.